We would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to this video. Today, we are going to talk about poor credit ratings and ways for fast restoring them. You can discover a link to a credit mending firm that can aid you in fixing concerns below in the comments section of this post. A poor credit score might be a significant obstacle in the way of accomplishing your monetary objectives. A good credit score is essential in almost every financial transaction you could do, including getting a loan, buying a car, or renting an apartment. To your good fortune, there are tried and true methods available to rapidly improve your credit score. In this piece, we will discuss 10 proven strategies that, if used, will put you on the road to achieving your financial goals. So number 1, get a copy of your credit report and go through it carefully. You can do that with us in the comments below. We have a company that can assist with this. Secondly, dispute discrepancies on your credit report. You should register complaints with the individual credit bureaus if you discover flaws in your credit report. They are legally required to check the report for accuracy and make any necessary corrections, which might have a beneficial effect on your credit score. And number 3. Thirdly, make prompt payment of your bills a top priority, as this aspect of your payment history is a significant component in the calculation of your credit score. Pay close attention to paying all of your bills on time, including any loans, credit card bills, and utility bills. To avoid missing deadlines, set up recurring payments or calendar reminders. The fourth thing that should be done is to request a free copy of your credit report from the 3 main credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, as a great way to get your credit restoration journey started off on the right foot. Check the reports thoroughly for any blunders, mistakes, or indications of identity theft that could have been made. You may make major improvements to your credit score if you recognize and deal with the problems listed above. Moving on to the next few items that you should be aware of that could be impacting your credit score. Number 5, reduce the proportion of your available credit that you are using. Your credit utilization ratio, the percentage of your available credit that you are using, has a significant impact on your credit score. Your goal should be to keep this ratio below 30% by focusing on paying off high-interest bills and maintaining low balances on your credit cards. And number 6, request an increase in your credit limit. If you want to improve your credit score, one of the best things you can do is ask for an increase in the maximum amount of credit you are allowed to use. Call the issuer of your credit card and ask for an increase in your limit, but resist the desire to spend more after it has been granted. Number 7, consolidate your debt. Consolidating your debt can help you simplify your finances and reduce the amount of money you have to pay each month. You may make faster progress toward paying off your debt and improving your credit score if you consolidate your many loans into a single loan or credit card with a reduced interest rate. Watch some of our other videos that can also point you to where you can borrow money if you need to solve some problems with one of our specialized loans. Let's discuss the last 3 items that are important to continue with your credit score improvement journey. Finally, diversify the types of credit you use, as this will help you on your journey. Moving on to number 8, your credit score might benefit from having a varied credit portfolio that includes several forms of credit, such as credit cards, mortgages, and installment loans. But you should only apply for new credit when you absolutely need it, as a high number of credit inquiries might lower your score. Number 9, don't close down old accounts. The length of your credit history has a direct bearing on your credit score. Even if you don't use your oldest accounts often, keeping them open and in good standing will help you keep a longer credit history. This is true even if you aren't actively utilizing the accounts. And number 10, become an authorized user. If you have a responsible family member or friend who has solid credit, ask that person to add you to their credit card account as an authorized user. This gives you the opportunity to profit from their favorable credit history, which can assist increase your credit score. Thank you for staying with us till the end, and we hope you found this helpful. You can find the company that will help with credit repair down below in the comments. Have a great day.